How to increase your views on YouTube. Hi, Freddie Fulton here from Local Search Canada, and we're going to look at increasing your views on YouTube. So first of all, people need to find you. So we're going to focus first part of the video on ranking and how do you rank higher. And once you do rank higher, then you got to get people to click. You need more people clicking on your stuff. So we're going to focus on that next. Let's begin. So how do you rank higher? Well, first of all, you got to optimize the title and description of your video in YouTube, and we'll show you how to do that. Then you gotta pick good keyword tags. Again, we'll show you how to do that. Optimize your closed captioning. This is rarely done and is a great way to rank higher. And then share your video. We're going to look at ways to share it: Google, Twitter, Facebook. We're going to add to a playlist that helps rank higher. Share on your own blog. We'll show you that. Ping your video. We'll show you how to do that. And then get longer views and how. So we'll show you that. So let's begin. First, we're going to optimize the title and description of the video. So don't leave it blank. So we'll decide up front what keywords to optimize for in your video. So we'll keep it simple. What will people most likely be typing into the search bar, and where do you see less competition but lots of views? So let's start. So I have a video here I've just uploaded to YouTube. It does have 5 views, but a lot of the optimization work to rank higher I haven't done yet. So let's look at it. So first we're looking at description and the title. So I've already filled this in. So you can click on here to edit the video, or click this down arrow, info and settings. So that's where you'll find your information, title and description. So right here, we'll scroll down a bit, basic info, and we will drag this so you can see the whole description. And this is the title. So I've already done the keyword research on this. That is a course in itself, keyword research. I would look it up on YouTube with the terms keyword research or YouTube keyword research to show you how to do that. But that's not part of the scope of this course. Right now, I'm just going to make sure you do include in your title tag your keywords. So I've created this video on YouTube intros, and I've gone with awesome YouTube intro for that niche, and also using Camtasia, which is how I've created it for that video. So I make sure that's in there. I also make sure it is included in the description, probably 3 to 4 times. You'll see YouTube intro with Camtasia, intro video, so all sorts of words around my keywords that I've selected. So you got to make sure it's in your title, it's in your description. So you got to make sure you fill out your keywords in your YouTube description. So same keywords, but I'll show you how to do it right now. So the tags are also found in basic info. There's your title and description, and then below the description are your tags. So you'll want to put in some keywords here related to your description and some of the research you've done. And this is used by YouTube to rank videos, so important to fill out. And all you do is type in your keyword. It'll give you suggestions, but if you want to just hit enter, and there you go. So that's now, and there's a keyword for this this video, so used for ranking. And that's it. And you save it. Optimizing closed captioning. So this is rarely done, so this will put you ahead of the rest of the crowd. So closed captioning gives Google and YouTube loads of keyword info, because it's basically your video in words, and it's painful, but it's well worth it. So now we're going to look at closed captioning. So again, in your video manager, you got info and settings, which we're in, and then on the right here is subtitles and closed captioning. So you click on that, and then it says original language of video. So basically this is going to allow you to put in your video a transcript in English or whatever language, I guess, and basically it will spell out what you're saying in your video. And this is actually great because Google can read this, YouTube can read this, so it really helps them figure out what this video is about. So you select language, so this is English, and it's going to attempt to figure out what you're saying. I'm going to click automatic here, and so here is the transcript of your entire video. And you know what? For the most part, it does okay. But I did not say, okay, we learned to build a rockin' YouTube video. Although close. I think I said build a rocking YouTube video intro, and he's just more fresh on their sample. So you got to go through here. This is why it's painful. You got to go through here and edit this entire thing. So I have a 6-minute video, so it will be a bit painful, and I'm going to do it. But so to edit this, you got to go down to the bottom, and way down at the bottom, you can edit this version overwrite. So we're going to overwrite existing subtitles. So let's go back up to the top. So what you do if you okay, we learned to build a rocking YouTube video. What you do is you click on here, and it'll okay, so I said we are going to learn how to build a rockin' YouTube video intro. Intro's on the next sentence though. So that's how you edit it. You hit enter to save, or you actually just click on the next one. So that's now saved, and then you move on to the next 5-6 seconds. I think if you double click on this, it will oh, I guess you got to play here. I thought you could click on here and it would play for you. I guess not. So yeah, you got to go through each 5-second segment and update it for the words that you actually say. And these, it's important because this is all scanned by Google, YouTube, and all these words that you see here, now that you've clicked captioning on, this is all going to be I guess used to figure out what your video is about, and it'll play a part in your ranking. So very important. And also you got to ensure you're talking about what you want to talk about for your keywords, so keep that in mind. But so you got to go through, edit the whole thing, but you know, it is important, and not many videos, people putting videos together are doing this, so it's an advantage to do it. Painful, but worth it. So share your video everywhere. Sharing is the way of the world these days with social media, but Google and YouTube also will give a little bit of link juice to shared videos. So share in your Facebook, Google+, Twitter profiles, and everywhere else. Pinterest, Tumblr, StumbleUpon, there's many of them. So let's see how we do this. So we're going to look at how to share this video. So right in info and settings and basic info, when you're filling in the title and description and all this initially, you get this option to also share on Google+, Facebook, and Twitter, and you can use that. But if you've done like me here, you've done a lot of already editing in this, you've already saved it, you've already sent or updated the closed captioning and all that stuff, and saved it a few times already. You can't click on these, right? It won't allow you to, unfortunately. But there's another way. If you go to your, well, actually, if you just top right corner here, go into Video Manager, and then click on your video, it's going to start playing, but we'll stop it. And you have this little share tab here. And I would share on as many of these platforms as you can. Some of these I don't actually recognize, for instance that one. But I usually share on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Reddit, Blogger I do, Tumblr, I have separate accounts there, I share on my own. Pinterest I share, they do like videos now. StumbleUpon I share on. And I think I have a few more, but I mean this is where I would get started and just click on these. Click on Facebook for example. It's going to pull up my profile, and you just put in your This is all you have to do for Facebook, and we'll share, and that will post to Facebook. And that works so easily because I've already added my Facebook and my Twitter accounts into my YouTube in the settings, so those will be just, and Google Plus as well, so these are all easy to post on. And then these I have accounts there as well, and normally they'll just open up as to post it as well. So that's all you do, and share in as many spots as possible. It is definitely beneficial for further sharing from people who like your video, especially on Facebook and Twitter, but also it does give Google and YouTube a little bit of as they say, link juice, or attributes a bit of importance to your video if it's on a bunch of different sites, even if they are social media. And that's all you do for sharing. Adding your video to a playlist will get you more views. And YouTube searches and often will pick up playlists, so you want to have a good playlist, and it also lends credibility to your video. So let's look. So we're going to show you now how to add add your video to a playlist. So playlists do help you get some videos, and I always recommend adding a video to a playlist you've created that has not only your videos but some other top ranking videos. So, and that allows it to your video to come up when people find that playlist, and they'll click on that. So it's a good strategy for getting more views. So we're back into the video manager here. We're gonna click on the little triangle, info and settings, and there's a section here. There's a few ways to share it or to add it to a playlist, but this is the main way I would go. So right here, this little section here is right below the sharing, and next to the description is a section that normally would say just playlists. Well, let's unclick it and see. So add to playlist is what it says. So I've added it to this YouTube tips playlist, and that's all you have to do. And this is going to now be added to that playlist, which is one I have. And I've just started putting it together, but let's take a look. So this playlist has, we'll leave this page. I'm going into my playlists, and YouTube tips is where we added it. And I have this good video from this Daryl Eves about creating video custom thumbnails for your video. So that's a pretty good one. And now mine is second here, and I can move it up to the top one as well if I want to. Oops. I clicked play. So that's all there is to, and this is my playlist playing here. So that's added to a playlist now. So it'll now be searchable. People may find this YouTube tips playlist and see my video. So a good way to increase views. So we're going to look at sharing on your own blog now. And there's reasons for this. It does give you full link juice to your video from your blog, and it gives others a chance to find your video elsewhere on the web. And it's also a way, these embedded videos count as views. So let's look at this. So I'm going to show you how to add this video to your blog, which is really quite easy. So I already have my blog open, and we'll go there in a second, but there's two ways to add your video. Embedding is the slickest way. You just click embed. This is again right under the video where it says share, and you'll see this below any video on YouTube. And you just Control C this. You can change the size of it and whatnot, but this will be the size I want. So I'm hitting Control C to copy this. Well, why don't I right click, copy, and then I'm going to go to my post, which I've already put some words in about how I'm using YouTube, and I've learned to create these awesome intros, so I'm going to add it to the video, or add it to my blog. So you go into text here. This is using WordPress, but basically you gotta cut and paste the HTML code, whatever tool you're using. So this is how you do it in WordPress, and I'll just clip it between those two spaces, and that is it. So now the video is part of your blog post. What I also do is I've introduced the video here with a name, how to make an awesome YouTube video intro, and I'm gonna actually also add share this video. I'm gonna also link to right to the video, and I do this so these keywords how to make an awesome YouTube video are actually tied to that video. And that again helps with ranking. So we're going to insert the link, and I'm going to give it a title as well. Again, more search engine optimization info for Google and YouTube. Awesome YouTube video intro using Camtasia. Alright, so we're going to add that link. Hopefully I didn't get any spelling errors because I didn't really check it. And so this post is done. So this is now going to be on my blog, my video, and also with this link with all those good keywords in there. And then you just publish it. So I got to do some other stuff, add categories and make sure this is search engine optimized. So I'm not going to post it right now, but that's all you need to do. And also very important for rankings. Ping your video. So pinging is just getting out there on the internet for everyone to see. And you just got to find a service and you're off to the races. And we'll show you how to do this. So now we're going to ping this video. And this really is just sending out this URL. Again, this is your video. We're going to copy this. It's going to send it out to the web, to the world. And so we go to, I use pingler.com, and there's a few different ones. This one I found works really well. And you cut and paste your URL in here. And then awesome, I guess, create an awesome YouTube intro. So that's where we're going to leave it at that. And this is going to go out now. I'm going to pick a category. There's a website tools, I think, as the category. And it's going to ping all of these different locations and just say, hey, this video is alive. So here's, you see Google, you see well, tons of Google ones, but Pingomatic, Blog Poll, Blog Search, a lot of Google. But it goes out and it just, you index, and it tells them that, hey, this video is alive. Take a look. So, and then you just got to fill out the CAPTCHA. And that's it. This is going to go out now. You have the option of getting it sent to your email address as well, but I more often than not don't bother doing that. So this is now active and pinging all those sites, and you're done. So finally, longer views. This YouTube does look at how long people are watching your videos. They got all the data, so if it's engaging, they'll rank it higher, and those that are banned in after 2 seconds, hey, they're not going to rank it. So you need to keep your viewers watching to the end. So I would say good quality video sound is probably the top, and it has to be engaging and exciting. And I'd offer a teaser as well. So what I'm saying here is at the start of your video, say, oh, we're going to offer this at the end of the video, and please watch till the end so you can get this. Something like that. You need them to watch to the end, and the longer you can get people to watch, the higher YouTube's going to rank you because you have a quality video. And that's the bottom line. So that's it for optimization. And next we're going to actually get on to how people will click on your site or video. So now that we've got you ranked higher, how do you get more clicks? Well, first of all, you need an eye-catching video thumbnail, and we'll show you some examples. People want to see something exciting. They're not going to click on a bland title. And you need a great title, great description, and we'll show you some examples here. Here's one, how to build a website, what I use, just a picture of a guy. So not an exciting thumbnail. He does have 18,000 views, but his description as well is how to build a website, there's not much to it. Contrast that with this fellow, Tyler Moore, how to make a WordPress website amazing. Nice thumbnail, how to make a website, looks like the guy's got some freedom, he's making money. It's and a great description. So this guy's got 18,000 views. Contrast that with 2.2 million. So this means a lot. You need to get people to want to click. That's our final and probably most important tip for getting more views. So thanks for watching. That video took about 10 minutes longer than I was expecting in terms of YouTube time, but I think it was all stuff you need to know to rank higher, and I hope it helps you get more views on YouTube. But so thanks for watching. Check out our videos on other topics like WordPress, Weebly, Google, etc. And if you enjoyed this video, we would love a thumbs up. And as well, if you want to see some more like this, please subscribe. And thanks again for watching.